A for apple.
A for apple.
A for apple, red and sweet. Healthy fruit that's good to eat.
B for ball.
B for ball.
B for ball, big and round, bouncing up and down on ground.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for cat, soft and small, playing happily with the
D for dog.
D for dog.
D for dog, cute and fast, running quickly, having a blast.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for elephant, big and tall, strong and gentle, loved by all.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for fish, in water deep, swimming softly, never sleep.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
G for grapes, green and sweet, juicy bunches, good to eat.
H for hen.
H for hen.
H for hen, says cluck cluck, lays us eggs for good luck.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream, cold and nice, tasty treat, we love a slice.
J for jug.
J for jug.
J for jug, full of water, keeps us fresh in summer hotter.
K for kite.
K for kite.
K for kite, flying high, dancing nicely in the sky.
L for lion.
L for lion.
L for lion, strong and brave, king of jungle in his cave.
M for mango.
M for mango.
M for mango, juicy and sweet, summer fruit we love to eat.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for nest, birds live there.
O for orange.
O for orange.
O for orange, round and bright, full of vitamin, a healthy bite.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for parrot, green and smart, talking words with cheerful heart.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Q for queen, kind and fair, wears a crown with royal flair.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit, soft and white, hops around with great delight.
S for sun.
S for sun.
S for sun, shining bright, gives us warmth and lovely light.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for tiger, bold and strong, roaring loudly all day long.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella, opens wide, keeps us safe when rains arrive.
V for van.
V for van.
V for van, on the road, carries people with a
W for watch.
W for watch.
W for watch shows the time. Tick tock sound and steady rhyme.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone, musical play. Colorful notes we love to play.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for yak, big and hairy. Lives in mountains, cold and airy.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra, black and white. Runs so fast with stripes so bright.
Thanks for watching.